Welcome to another outing with the Pennsylvania Canal Hunter. Last time I was here at Reeves Run, this was an old sluice pipe culvert, so this has been built just within the last year. I got another guest with me today. Amateur hunter. I'll get an introduction from him later. This wide rail bed. Why don't you introduce yourself?
I am Noah. I don't know if we're crossing this or not.
Pretty loud! Noah and I are at the side of the Lockport Aqueduct, still trying to figure out where the actual remnants are and if they even exist anymore. I think they're right below me, is my best guess. It's the road crews are on strike. Company car. And the answer be, hell yeah. There's a little side street down into Bairdsville there. He needs to get a chainsaw. He likes the ripples in the water.